Did you know that one of America's most famous burger chains started as a small bar with a strange name? It all started in the 1940s in Seattle, Washington. There was a small tavern called Sam's Red Robin, owned by a man named Sam. He loved singing the song "Win the Red," so he added Red Robin to his bar's name. But back then, no one could have guessed this little tavern would one day become a household name. For years, Sam's Red Robin was just a local hangout, known for its drinks and friendly atmosphere. But everything changed in 1969 when a man named Gary Kingan saw an opportunity. He bought the bar and had a bold vision, turning it into a gourmet burger restaurant. This was a big risk because, at the time, most people saw burgers as simple fast food, not something special. Kingan believed in quality. He introduced a menu with big, delicious burgers, fresh ingredients, and a fun, family-friendly atmosphere. And guess what? People loved it. Red Robin quickly became a local favorite, attracting long lines of customers who wanted to taste the best burgers in town. By the late 1970s, Red Robin had grown so popular that it started expanding beyond Seattle. The company began franchising, allowing new locations to open across different states. With each new restaurant, Red Robin built a reputation for its bottomless fries, mouth-watering gourmet burgers, and endless variety of flavors. One of the biggest reasons for its success was its unique menu. Instead of sticking to basic burgers, Red Robin introduced creative options like the Whiskey River BBQ Burger and the Royal Red Robin Burger with a fried egg on top. These innovations kept customers coming back for more. By the 1990s and 2000s, Red Robin was no longer just a regional chain. It was a national phenomenon. The restaurant expanded all over the US and even into Canada. But like any great success story, there were challenges. The company had to compete with major fast food chains while maintaining its high quality and unique identity. Today, Red Robin has over 500 locations and is still known for its incredible burgers, bottomless fries, and fun dining experience. What started as a small bar with a quirky name became one of the biggest casual dining chains in America. And it all began with one man's love for a simple song. So, the next time you bite into a juicy Red Robin burger, remember, you're tasting a piece of history. Would you ever have guessed that a tiny tavern could turn into a burger empire? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.